Okay, let's click on the Sheet 3 tab. Now click any cell in column A and go to the Data menu and Sort, and from the Sort by drop list, let's click Customer, and we'll accept the ascending default. Now click the first then by arrow and select city, and then the second then by drop list will select product, and this time we'll sort that on descending and click OK and see the effect. Now click anywhere in column C and click the Sort Ascending button. That's it there. Sort Descending is hidden at the moment, but we have that option as well. Now click in column D and go to the Data menu and Sort, and select Month from the Sort By drop list, and then click the Options button, and from the first key sort order drop list we want to select the months option with the full name. There we go, and then click OK. And OK. And now the months are in order rather than in alphabetical order. Now let's go to the Tools menu and select Options. And on the Custom List tab, let's type in the entries that we want. We want to sort on products. So in this case we want to type in Excel, Word, Access, PowerPoint, and then click the Add button and OK. And now go to the Data menu and Sort, and let's select Product from the Sort By list, and then click the Options button, and we want to select our new list and OK and OK. And we haven't got any PowerPoint products, but the rest are sorted in order. Okay. And now go to the Tools menu, Options, and let's select our list and delete. And OK. Yes. OK. Now let's go to the Data menu and click Subtotals, and from the Add Each Change in drop list we want to select Product, and the rest we can leave at the default, and OK. And now double click on the junction of the E and F columns so that it resizes to fit. And now we can save that.